In today's rapidly changing business landscape, how can you navigate uncertainty and make informed decisions? Vlerick Business School is proud to present you with the Strategy in Uncertain Times program. Global crises like pandemics, economic downturns, technological shifts, and geopolitical conflicts can harm companies unprepared in uncertain times. Without strategic foresight, businesses may struggle to adapt to changing conditions, leading to supply chain disruptions, regulatory challenges, and market instability. Our program helps to develop a strategy toolbox that turns uncertainty into an advantage for your organization. And it also helps in building a competent, adaptable, and resilient workforce. You will be able to develop forward-thinking strategies and action plans, change the way strategic decisions are handled, and move towards agile implementation to achieve your business objectives and maintain a competitive edge amidst uncertainty. If you are responsible for charting the strategic direction, setting corporate objectives, or driving innovation within your organization, this program is a must-attend. Don't let uncertainty hold your organization back. Join the Strategy in Uncertain Times program at Vlerick Business School and thrive through uncertainty.